Hello all, coconut milk rice is a South Indian dish prepared in one pot with coconut milk and spices. Across South India, it's prepared in different styles. I am showing here my version. This is an easy and very unique dish and one of my favorite that I had served for many of my friends, even Europeans, and all of them had savored the taste and had asked for recipe. Here's to the recipe. Ingredients required are 2 cups of Jeera samba rice, which is washed and soaked in water for 15 to 20 minutes and finally strained. Spices we use are clove, cardamom, green chilli, peppercorns, bay leaf, nuts and raisins for decoration. 2 cups of water, 2 cups of coconut milk, 1.5 tablespoon of coconut oil, salt to taste. Into the cooking pan, add coconut oil or butter or clarified butter. Here we use coconut oil as in authentic preparation. As the oil is heated, add the spices one by one. Now add the rice to it and roast it for some time, approximately 2 minutes. Basmati rice can also be used instead of Jeera samba rice, but I personally recommend using Jeera samba rice. Now add the coconut milk and stir it well. Now we add water. Give it a stir. Allow it to boil and then reduce the heat and let it simmer. Add salt to taste. Cover it with the lid for 15 to 20 minutes until the rice is cooked. While our rice is getting cooked, into a frying pan we add half tablespoon of clarified butter, nuts and raisins for garnishing. Let the nuts and raisins change color and then transfer the fried nuts and raisins. Now it's 10 minutes, let's check our rice. As we open the lid, the nice aroma of coconut milk and spices fills your kitchen. Cover it with the lid again and cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we open the lid and our rice is cooked. We can garnish the rice with coriander leaves, nuts and raisins. The rice can be served with any veg or non-veg curries or gravies. I hope you all like the recipe and will try it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for upcoming recipes. Bye bye. Take care.